The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, northern Shelby County in southwest Tennessee, southwestern Tipton County in southwest Tennessee. Until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado. That can suck my ass. Near Crawfordsville, or 7 miles west of Marion, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Marion, West Memphis, Bartlett, Midtown Memphis, Millington, Cordova and Meeman-Shelby Forest State Park. This warning also includes areas near Brandywine Lake, Caroni Lake and Wapanoka Lake. What the fuck, you're not listening to me? There's a fucking tornado in front of your house. If you're not gonna listen to me, then you can suck my hairy balls and I'll fuck you in the ass if you don't get in your fucking basement. These fucking weather radios don't If you're not gonna listen to me, then you can suck my hairy balls and I'll fuck you in the ass if you don't get in your fucking basement. These fucking weather radios don't fucking work cause they fucking suck dick, mostly the what's it called the 1990s NOAA weather radios. In addition to the tornado, this storm will produce tennis ball size hail and destructive straight line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a storm shelter. If no storm shelter is available, are fucking serious? You're not doing anything, all you're doing is eating Doritos while I am trying to save your fucking life. Continuing on, if in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden, and for the following counties in Tennessee, Shelby and Tipton counties.